Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to duplicate checkbox in Excel. Okay, first of all, select single duplicate checkbox. Hold Control and select. Again, hold Control. Now see this plus icon. Dragging. Okay, and multiple. Hold Control. Select multiple checkbox. Hold Control. Now see this plus icon. Now drag it. Okay. Say duplicate all checkbox. Control G specials object. Okay, now select select 2A2 for duplicate checkbox, copy paste and again hold control, dragging. I select copy paste, right click mouse, copy this checkbox. Now see this another sheet or this sheet, control V for paste. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.